January is almost gone. If you haven't fixed these 8 things yet, you are already falling behind. Fix them now. Number 1, the bank leak. Open your statements. Find every subscription you forgot about and kill it. You cannot build wealth if you are bleeding money on things you don't use. That $20 a month adds up to thousands in missed investments over a decade. Number 2, the sleep anchor. If you are still waking up tired, your year is already compromised. Set a non-negotiable sleep time. Phone out of the room, dark room, cool temperature. Sleep is not a luxury. It is a performance drug. If you win the night, you win the morning. Number 3, the digital diet. Check your screen time. If it's over 3 hours, you don't have a time problem, you have a focus problem. Delete the apps that don't pay you or teach you. Reclaim your attention because it is the most expensive currency you have. Number 4, the friction audit. Why didn't you go to the gym? Because your clothes weren't ready. Why didn't you work? Because your desk was messy. Remove the friction tonight so you can execute tomorrow. Make the good habits easy and the bad habits impossible. Number 5, the toxic feed. Your algorithm is programming your brain. Unfollow the people who make you feel jealous, inadequate, or angry. Curate a feed that educates you, not one that drains you. Protect your mental inputs like you protect your home. Number 6, the one skill. Stop trying to learn 10 things. Pick one high-value skill, sales, coding, writing, and obsess over it for the next 11 months. Mastery pays, dabbling costs. Be the person who is undeniably good at one thing, not average at everything. Number 7, the physical baseline. You can't improve what you don't measure. Weigh yourself. Test your strength. Know exactly where you are starting, so you can destroy that version of yourself by December. Feelings lie. Data tells the truth. Number 8, the inner dialogue. Stop saying, "I'm trying." Start saying, "I am." Your brain believes what you tell it. If you talk like a victim, you will stay a victim. Rewrite the script in your head to match the person you're becoming. Comment, "Fixed," if you are ready to work.